Hello, my name is Kairi, and today I'll be teaching you how to put decimals in order from greatest to least. It's actually pretty similar to normal, so let's try 2.63, 2.4, 3.8, and 2.07. 3.8 goes first because 3, the whole number, is bigger than 2. Next is 2.63 because 63 is bigger than 0, 7, and 4. Next is the tricky bit. Actually, 2.4 goes first because you only look at the 10th, so 4 is actually bigger than 0. I hope this helped you understand putting decimals in order. Thanks for watching! Bye!